Hey everyone, Apple released macOS 26.6, the final build, sometime yesterday. The updates came as around 3 point something gigabytes and the build number is 25G72. This update, of course, is not really to introduce new features. No, it's more of just preparing your Mac for macOS 27, that's if it's eligible, and not an Intel MacBook. As you can see from 9to5 Mac, more than 150 security vulnerabilities were fixed. That is quite a lot for one secondary update. Yeah, the list is endless. So many things. I'll link this to the video's description. You can check it out yourself to see. But this update looks pretty important if you are already on macOS Tahoe. Apple still left the release notes page on the RC, but as you can see, they resolved stuff related to ecosystem, core storage with HFS Plus, and deprecation related to Intel Macs. Also, they resolved this issue in messages with HDR screenshots. Essentially, along with the iOS and iPadOS 26.6, macOS Tahoe is going to prepare Spotlight search and indexing. It's supposed to begin this indexing to make it easier for you once you update to macOS Golden Gate or macOS 27 later this fall. That's if you're waiting for the beta stage to be completed, which means as soon as you update, you'd not have to deal with any indexing. Indexing will be done already. So that's basically all there is. As far as battery is concerned and performance, not much is that special. I would say, yeah, it does feel a bit more stable than the RC. And speaking of the RC, the build number on the final build is different from the RC. If you're on the RC and you didn't see this update, I would recommend you go over to software update settings and make sure that beta updates are turned off. Yeah, off the way I did it. Performance is okay. I'm currently running Final Cut Pro with a different video I'm working on, and arc browser with a number of tabs. Everything is working fine. So that's it for the video. Yeah, there is not much to keep you here talking about. So let me know how macOS 26.6 is performing for you. I'll see you guys around. iHaadi out.